All rooms offer a bed, a kitchen, a bathroom, a bedside table, a desk and chair, a coffee table, underbed storage, and a wardrobe. The building offers various facilities. It includes Wi-Fi, bike storage, laundry, a vending machine, a common area, and an outdoor social space. Other services include CCTV, 24/7 assistance, an on-site service team, secure access and maintenance support. Rahere Court Unite is a 27-minute ride from central London. The area is bursting with places to eat, drink, and enjoy entertainment. Be the Lyle's, a nearby eatery that serves seasonal British plates in a relaxed dining setting. I Polici, which is 12 minutes away, offers Italian classics in addition to a full English breakfast. If you're feeling fancy, Chez El's Bistro Quai serves French plates in a rustic chic setting.